Looking for an all-inclusive Red Sea getaway that won't break the bank but still delivers on that holiday magic? Let me tell you about Swisstouch Oriental Resort in Marsa, Egypt. This place has been making waves since it first opened its doors back in 2008, originally as Jaz Oriental Resort before getting a rebrand around 2022 under the Swiss-owned Swisstouch Hotels group. Sitting pretty along one of the most stunning stretches of the Red Sea coastline, about 30 kilometers north of Marsa International Airport, this 4-star resort has built itself quite the reputation. With over 9,000 reviews on Booking.com scoring it a solid 8 out of 10, and nearly 4,000 TripAdvisor reviews giving it 4 out of 5 stars, there's clearly something special happening here. The resort sprawls across more than 50 hectares of prime beachfront real estate, featuring that distinctive Arabian Nights theme with domed architecture, intricate mosaic tiles, and palm-lined pathways that make you feel like you've stepped into an exotic fantasy. Recent renovations in 2023 and 2024 have given the place a fresh lease on life, with upgraded air conditioning, new bedding, and a completely renovated main lobby. Guests have noticed the improvements, particularly in cleanliness standards, which have shot up since the management changes in 2024. Whether you're a family looking for kid-friendly entertainment, a couple seeking romantic beach sunsets, or a diving enthusiast ready to explore the legendary Red Sea underwater world, this resort aims to tick all those boxes while keeping your wallet reasonably happy. When it comes to laying your head down at night, Swisstouch Oriental Resort offers 319 rooms spread across the main building and individual bungalows dotted throughout the lush grounds. Every single room comes standard with air conditioning, which you'll definitely appreciate during those scorching Egyptian summer months, plus a balcony or terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening sundowner. The minibar gets restocked daily as part of the all-inclusive package, and you'll find satellite television, a safe for your valuables, tea and coffee making facilities, a hairdryer, and free Wi-Fi throughout your stay. Now let's talk specifics. The standard rooms clock in at 36 square meters and feature either a king-sized bed or twin beds depending on your preference, along with a bathroom fitted with a shower. These entry-level rooms offer garden or pool views and can accommodate 2 adults plus 1 child, with some units featuring connecting doors perfect for families who want to stay close but still have their own space. During low season from June to September, you're looking at roughly 100 to 150 euros per night for 2 adults on an all-inclusive basis, jumping to 180 to 250 euros during the peak winter months from December to March when everyone's escaping the European cold. Moving up the ladder, superior rooms give you an extra 4 square meters at 40 square meters total, with upgraded bathrooms and the added luxury of bathrobes and slippers. These rooms often feature pool views or partial sea views, and the sea view options command a premium price. They can sleep 2 adults plus 2 children and fall in the 120 to 170 euro range in summer, climbing to 200 to 280 euros in winter. For families who need more breathing room, the family rooms offer 50 square meters divided into 2 bedrooms with a living area, complete with a sofa bed and bunk beds that kids absolutely love. These accommodate 4 adults plus 1 child and run from 150 to 200 euros in low season, reaching 250 to 350 euros when demand peaks. The family suites take it up another notch with 65 square meters, a separate bedroom, lounge area, 2 bathrooms, and even an espresso machine for the coffee snobs among us. With capacity for 4 adults and 2 children plus those lovely sea or garden views from your private terrace, expect to pay 200 to 250 euros in summer and 300 to 400 euros in winter. At the top of the pyramid sits the Royal Suite, a sprawling 80 square meter palace featuring a king bedroom, separate living and dining areas, and a bathroom with a jacuzzi. Direct sea views, premium minibar selections, fresh fruit baskets, VIP perks like express check-in, and even the option for a private butler service make this the ultimate splurge at 350 euros plus in low season, climbing past 500 euros during peak periods. Official photos showcase light beige and orange decor with Arabian motifs and wooden furniture that fits the Oriental theme perfectly, though some guest photos reveal that the older standard rooms show a bit of wear and tear, which is pretty typical for a resort that's been operating since 2008. The 2023 and 2024 renovations have addressed many of these issues, but if you're particularly fussy about having the freshest possible room, it's worth requesting one of the recently renovated units when you book. Food is obviously a massive part of any all-inclusive experience, and Swisstouch Oriental doesn't skimp on dining options with 6 different venues to explore during your stay. The heart of the operation is the Oriental Main Restaurant, a massive buffet space that can seat over 400 guests and serves up international, Mediterranean, and Egyptian cuisine throughout the day. Breakfast runs from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 to 10 at night. The spread is impressive with mezz stations, grilled meats, fresh seafood, colorful salads, and a dessert selection that'll test your willpower. The resort runs themed nights weekly, including Italian evenings and barbecue nights that break up any potential monotony. Smart casual dress is the order of the day and no reservations are needed, so you can just rock up whenever hunger strikes. For something more intimate, the seafood a-la-carte restaurant offers exactly what the name suggests, with lobster, prawns, and fish meuniere prepared to order. This venue seats about 80 people and operates from 7 to 10 in the evening, but here's the catch: you can only dine here once per stay as part of the all-inclusive package, and reservations are absolutely required, so book early to avoid disappointment. The dress code steps up slightly to elegant casual, and their seafood platter special is apparently the stuff of legend according to multiple reviews. The Italian a-la-carte follows a similar pattern, serving up pasta, pizza, and tiramisu in a more casual 70-seat setting, also from 7 to 10 at night and limited to once per stay with advance booking required. The live pasta station, where chefs prepare your dish right in front of you, adds a nice theatrical touch. When you need a break from the main meals, the Oriental Coffee Shop operates from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning, serving cakes, coffee, ice cream, and even shisha for those who enjoy it. This 100-seat venue is perfect for afternoon pick-me-ups or late-night sweet cravings, and evening shisha nights create a wonderfully authentic Middle Eastern atmosphere. Down by the beach bar keeps you hydrated and fed from 10 in the morning until midnight, serving beers, mocktails, burgers, and snacks. Swimwear is perfectly acceptable here, and the happy hour from 4 to 6 in the afternoon offers particularly good value even within the all-inclusive framework. Finally, the pool bar operates as a swim-up bar from 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening, letting you grab drinks and sandwiches without even leaving the water. The official photos show colorful buffet spreads with glistening grills and fresh salads that look absolutely mouthwatering, and the seafood dishes are photographed with that glossy, professional sheen. Guest photos tell a slightly more realistic story, with some reviewers noting that meat can occasionally be overcooked and that food quality varies depending on how busy the resort is, but overall the dining gets solid marks for an all-inclusive property in this price range. The main complaint that pops up repeatedly is that the buffet can become repetitive if you're staying for 2 weeks, but with 6 venues and themed nights, most guests find enough variety to keep things interesting. The pool situation at Swisstouch Oriental is genuinely impressive, with 4 distinct pools catering to different needs and moods. The star of the show is the main lagoon pool, a massive 1,200 square meter expanse that's 1.4 meters deep and designed with families in mind. This is where most of the action happens, with a swim-up bar built right into the pool so you can order drinks without leaving the water, plus plenty of space for everyone to spread out even during peak season. The adults-only relaxation pool offers 800 square meters of peace and quiet at 1.2 meters deep, perfect for couples or anyone who wants to read a book and soak up the sun without dodging beach balls and excited children. Parents with little ones will appreciate the dedicated kids pool with its fun water slides, covering 300 square meters at a safe half-meter depth where youngsters can splash around under watchful eyes. During the winter months, one pool gets heated so you can still enjoy a swim even when temperatures drop slightly. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until 7 at night with seasonal extensions when daylight permits, and beach towels are provided free of charge, though you'll need to claim your loungers on a first-come, first-served basis. Poolside waiter service means you can order food and drinks without moving from your sun lounger, which is the kind of lazy luxury that holidays are made for. The aqua park slides attached to the kids' pool provide hours of entertainment for families, and reviews consistently praise the pool maintenance and cleanliness standards. But as impressive as the pools are, the real star of this resort is undoubtedly the beach. 300 meters of private white sandy beach with gentle entry into crystal-clear Red Sea waters is what dreams are made of, and this is where Swisstouch Oriental truly shines. The house reef, accessible right from the beach, is the big draw for many guests, offering world-class snorkeling where you can spot sea turtles, reef sharks, colorful fish, and stunning coral formations without even needing to take a boat trip. The resort has a full PADI diving center on site for those who want to explore deeper waters with proper equipment and certification, while casual snorkelers can rent gear or bring their own. Kayaks and pedalos are available as part of the all-inclusive package, giving you different ways to explore the coastline. The beach bar keeps you refreshed throughout the day, and waiter service extends to the beach loungers and umbrellas that line the shore. Multiple reviews specifically call out the beach and reef as the best features of the entire resort, with some guests saying it's the best snorkeling they've experienced anywhere in Egypt. The combination of easy access, healthy coral, abundant marine life, and that gorgeous white sand creates a beach experience that punches well above the resort's 4-star rating. Whether you're a serious diver planning multiple excursions, a casual snorkeler content to float around the shallows, or someone who just wants to lounge with a book and dip your toes in occasionally, this beach delivers on every level. Beyond swimming and beach time, Swisstouch Oriental keeps you busy with a solid range of activities and entertainment options. The fitness center features modern technogym equipment including treadmills, exercise bikes, free weights, and yoga mats, operating from 7 in the morning until 9 at night for anyone who can't bear to skip their workout routine even on holiday. Daily classes including yoga and aqua aerobics appear on the activity schedule, and personal training sessions are available for an additional fee if you want more focused attention. The evening entertainment program runs from 6 until 11 at night with a weekly schedule that includes fire shows, belly dancing performances, live music, and a disco for night owls. Kids are well catered for with a mini club for ages 4 to 12 operating from 9 until noon and again from 3 to 6 in the afternoon, offering crafts, games, and the ever-popular mini disco that lets little ones burn off energy before bedtime. There's also a teens club for older children who are too cool for the mini club but still want organized activities with their peers. Seasonal events like New Year's Eve galas and Halloween parties add extra excitement during holiday periods. The resort has earned Booking.com Guest Review Awards in 2023 and 2024 plus TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice recognition in 2024, which speaks to consistently good guest experiences. Reviews specifically praise the entertainment team for their energy and enthusiasm, though some guests note that if you're staying for 2 weeks, the shows can start to feel repetitive since they run on a weekly cycle. The resort has also implemented some sustainability initiatives including solar panels, plastic reduction programs, and reef protection efforts, which is encouraging to see in an industry that hasn't always prioritized environmental concerns. Water sports and activities organized through local operators can be booked through the resort, including trips to famous spots like Dolphin House about 15 kilometers away, where snorkel tours run around €40 per person. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.